Hi, friends. Good morning. This is Pradeep Shetty here, your mindset transformation coach from the Mindset Transformation Academy. And I'm here to help you with the tips about the law of attraction. So, how to use law of attraction on a day to day basis. So, you have Monday to Sunday. So, let's start the week with Monday. I'll be giving you one important points which you need to practice. And every day you need to practice it for a couple of times. So every day will name a particular name, just like from Monday. Let's start with Monday. So Monday will be a day where you will be thinking good thoughts. Yes, my dear friends, good, positive thoughts. And on that particular day, you'll be thinking about your own self, and secondly, about others. Just good thoughts, whoever it is. So think good about yourself, because until and unless you start thinking good about your own self, you will never be able to have good thoughts and wishes for others, right? So first have a focus on yourself, that what I need to do, how I need to do, and whatever the talents I have. So just have good thoughts for yourself and automatically transfer this to the others, to start saying good things in others. Just like one practice what we make when the couples come to the coaching, okay, one-on-one coaching, the person on the other husband says she is not having any quality, she's not good, and all those things. The same thing happens with the wife telling the husband that initially he was good but right now he's not good. So we make each of them separately in a breakout room, make them write the things which is very good when they were married, initially when they were married, and what all the qualities they could see. So we can see that, when they write it, we can see that they have at least 5 to 6 good qualities. So they need to remember that. So have a positive thought, not only for yourself, but even for others. Now, coming to Tuesday, Tuesday will be an appreciation day. Yes, you need to appreciate everything you have in your life, just like having a gratitude, one form of gratitude. Start having appreciation for everything and appreciate, I would say, even small to small things. It might be your family members, it might be family outside the family members. You're going outside, even going to a kirana shop, that is a grocery shop, to get some groceries. Just tell them, okay, wow, wonderful, this setup is good, or this thing is good. But from your heart, don't try to do it half-heartedly, and appreciate each and everybody. You, that Tuesday should be, at least you should call up somebody. If you don't have, you are not going outside, just call up, take the phone and call them and say, hey, you know what, this particular day I really appreciate you for this particular thing. Maybe somebody has prepared you a dish and given it to you, or called you for a dinner, and that you did appreciate at that particular time. But right now again, you can, appreciate. Maybe that there is chances that person might call you back again for a great dinner or a lunch. The third is Wednesday. You need to do good deeds, my dear friends. Like you're going on a traveling on a bus, and at that time you find some senior citizens, or a lady who is standing for a, maybe for 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. So please go ahead and offer a seat to them. That is a good deed. You can take your family members or some unknown strangers for, maybe for a lunch, or provide them with a lunch, or for a coffee. Or you can also go ahead and help people in different ways. Okay, that's up to you, totally up to you. In fact, you want to help finance wise, or just helping crossing a road. Okay, there is an old person who want to cross a road due to the traffic, he or she is not able to do that. Just go ahead and take the lead. Don't think what the other person say, what the dunya, log kya kahenge, that thing, that virus. Just remove that. Whatever you feel is good, just go ahead and do that. That one deed will really help you boost your energy. What happens is you automatically feel good, right, when you help somebody in time of need, especially. Okay, they will always give you some blessings, and that best blessings accumulated will help you attract the things what you need in your life. The Thursday, that is the fourth day, will be a thank you day. Now, I did not tell you anything about this. That is the most best way, two-letter word, to attract many things from this universe. So go ahead and start telling thank you with a purpose. Just don't say blindly, but really thank that person, whoever has done good to you, and thank the universe for whatever you have in your life. It might be anything. It might be this tie, it might be this pen, it might be this clip, okay, it might be this thread, it might be a ring, it might be anything. Just go ahead and start doing thank you, thank you, thank you for a whole day. Because Albert Einstein, he used to thank for everything what he had, for more than, it's being said that more than 200 times a day, 200 times a day. Just imagine 200 times a day saying thank you from the heart. So it's so great. It's so nice, right? So you will start attracting good things automatically. The fifth is that is Friday. You need to harness and magnify your good feelings, because most important thing is about this feeling. It doesn't come out. You need to have the real, genuine feelings. So what happens, what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and start playing music. Okay, go ahead and start having that great lunch which you always wanted to have. Go ahead and have that vada pav. Go ahead and have that pani puri. You have the things, or do the things which you really love to do, where you feel just enjoy doing it. Okay, just go ahead and do that. Saturday will be a free day, or the freedom day, where you can do anything. In the sense, you always wanted to write a book. Just take a book or a journal, start writing the things or the topics which you are really good at, you wanted to do. You had that wish, start doing that. You wanted to do gardening. So on Saturdays, just get yourself more involved in gardening. Purchase a course from Udemy, or some people who are really expert in this field. Because whenever you pay and purchase, that is the time when you get the real things. Okay, if free, there are many things free in the world, but in free you don't get that value. Always remember that. So go ahead and start looking for such great courses. Initially you can do some research, and after finding doing the research, you can start working on this. Just like one of the gardener, and I think he is from Canada, that is Charles Dowding. He's a great person who does the growing. He doesn't get into the soil. It's called the no dig. He does a no dig gardening, and absolutely what a great. I think he has 3/4 of the quarter land, and in that he has grown so many things, so many of vegetables and everything, and he gives it to the local market over there. He's well known. He's well known in as far as the gardening is concerned. He's doing it for a couple of years now. So absolutely great. This is just an example. So go ahead and start doing and working on your passion, on your hobby, and slowly turn that hobby into passion, and get yourself into that business, because business is equal to passion plus profit and purpose. Three things. Business is equal to, you need to first have a passion, you need to have a purpose, and the third is the profit. All these things combined, you get into the business. So this is just an example. And the last thing is on Sunday. Now Sunday you need to do two things. Whatever week has passed, so you need to remember that, as to how the things were and all the things going. Maybe sometimes you might not feel good to do many things over there. So you need to feel, maybe at some point of time you wanted to thank somebody, but suddenly that person came. Maybe that particular person with whom you had a fight, and you don't want to forgive that person and say thank you. So at that time you are stuck. You don't feel like doing this thank you and all those things. So you need to check that and correct it. Even though that person has hurt me, I totally forgive that person at every cost. I do not keep any feelings within me. Have that thing. And the second thing, first is you need to remember on Sunday, remember the past and just try to correct it. And the other thing is you need to see the future. Seeing in the sense, I'm talking about your mind's eye, where you see that how he or she is, and start working on it. So these are the 7 days of the week where you can apply all these things. So let's recap. The first, that is on Monday, you'll have good thoughts. The second, it's on Tuesday, you'll be doing a lot of appreciation. Third is you need to be having good deeds, start doing good deeds to other people. Fourth is Thursday, that is you'll be saying thank you to each and everything you have, and maybe calling up somebody and telling them, hey, you know what, thank you so much for that dinner which we had together and you paid for it. Okay, so that person will feel so great about him or her. It's so nice. On the Friday, what you need to do is that you need to harness and magnify your good feelings which is there inside. Develop that, have that feelings from inside, and let it come overflow. The best food, how you feel having that best food, having that wearing your best clothes, the best clothes which you have. Maybe you have a suit and a tie and all those things that you just love wearing, that just wear that. If you like that earring, maybe if you are a girl, you like you're wearing earring or a necklace or something like that, doing makeup, just go ahead and do that particular day. Maybe right now you're not able to go up, step out of the house, but still just start doing that. You start feeling good, you start feeling great. Okay, very nice. And on Saturday you just need to be a free bird. That means totally free. You're not bound by anything. You're not bound by any relationship. You're not bound by any food thing that you need to eat this and you not eat this. Just be a free bird and just do whatever you want to. Just like you have a passion for photography, just take a camera. You don't have a camera, just take your cell phone and start clicking some photos here and there. Just start doing the things which you really wanted to do at some point of time. You thought that after retiring I'll do that, or after becoming a director or a vice president of a company I'm going to do that. But do it right now. Start it right now. Doesn't matter, it might be in a smaller level, very low level. That smaller level will start increasing and increasing and increasing your hobby, and it will become your passion. And passion with a purpose and a thought of having a profit, which will really help you grow, because vitamin M is also very important. That is vitamin M in the sense money is also important. Slowly you will start rising. People will start recognizing you. People will start calling you saying that, hey, you are very good in gardening. Okay, can you give me some gardening tips? I'm ready to pay you for that. Can you visit my place and tell me more about the soil and all those things? So, my dear friends, start using this tips which I have provided to you for the law of attraction. And these are the very easiest way. I'm not telling you to do all these things in a day, but start doing this one thing in a one day. And that's how you will master. Maybe in a day, you might only think about 5 minutes about this particular thing. But slowly and slowly, when you start doing this, automatically your life will start changing. And also provide these details to your other friends. That is, if you really like this video, share it with others. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, that's Mindset Coach channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing in every week some great videos related to the minds. Okay, it's because this is channel is purely dedicated to the mindset tips. It related to psychology, maybe to your relationship, maybe to mindfulness, maybe to the holistic health, totally about health. And it might be physical and mental. I really focus on mental health because this is the foundation stone to get into all the other sets, like your Robin Sharma rightly says, about the health set, about the wealth set, about the spiritual set. Okay, so thank you very much. It was really nice being in front of you, and I hope you will really love this video. Stay tuned to this particular channel and just keep spreading this message about this mindset transformation academy. And you can also, in case if you want to get trained, I am ready to get help you in getting trained to have a great mindset. We can have a one-to-one conversation for 30 minutes. I can really understand what challenges you face in your life, and we can go ahead and resolve that for you. I can really help you with that. So thank you very much. You can send me an email to at mindsetcoach2020@gmail.com, and I'll be very glad to reply you during the business days and the business hours. So thank you very much. Have a great day. This is Pradeep Shetty here, your mindset transformation coach, signing off. And do remember that change your mindset and change your life. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Have a great day and a happy weekend. Bye-bye. I love you all.